Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to create new label in Google Keep. So if you also want to create a new label in Google Keep, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, once open your Google Keep application, you can see over here Google Keep is opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now at the top left corner, you can see option for 3 lines. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see several options over here. At third, you can see option for create new label. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll have to name your label. Type in the new label name. Now tap on the right sign that you can see right over here. Now go back, tap on the 3 lines, and you can see the label has been created. So that is how you create new label in Google Keep. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.